Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Thursday afternoon. We're here in SM Clark and we're going to eat in Marugami, and later we're going to Cafe Bean. Let's go with Georgie.
Hi everyone. Today I want this video about how much money we spent in the Philippines. How much money also our house, and how much money we spent 1 month in the Philippines. So this video about how much we spent money, and we're going to first eat in SM Clark. Georgie eat already in home, but we're going to Japanese restaurant with Shaira and drink coffee with Georgie. So many people. Romantic baboy here. Baboy. Baboy, it's a pig, okay. Unlimited pizza. They not finished. Unlimited pizza. This popular restaurant Unlimited. Oh, so many people. Shaira so fast, I know why, because she won't eat, she's hungry. Shaira, I know you so fast.
I want to eat already.
Yes, I also want it. Shaira, what you order?
Curry.
Curry.
Rice.
How much? 175. And this one? Teriyaki chicken don, 185 peso. It's free, and water also free. Georgie already waiting us in Cafe Bean in SM Clark. Yeah, Georgie. Hi, Georgie.
Hi.
Oh, very good cake. Do you want this cake, Shaira?
Another cake.
No, okay. You choose another cake. Okay, you choose what you want. For me, same. Already new price. Before how much? 95 peso before. It's been maybe few days ago 95, now 145 already. Hi everyone. We will continue talking about how much we spent money in the Philippines. First, I want to say about where we live. I built house in the Philippines maybe 5 years ago. This is house. It's Shaira lived before with family in the small house, 1 floor only, and house is not good condition, the roof is not so good quality, and I decided to build house under the her house to 2nd floor. I will add video or picture about her house before. I pay for build house 1,500,000 peso. And it's they built only 4 months. We start in April, already in July, 1st of July, we already live in this house. 1.5 million peso. So fast, only 4 months. Before we live in the Balibago, in Mountain View, not so far from Walking Street. We before lived together with Shaira in Mountain View about 4 years maybe. How many years we lived before in Mountain View? 2 years. Shaira said 2 years. Okay, 2 years we lived before in Mountain View. I rent apartment for $100 only. Only $100. Okay, we continue talk about sorry, how much we spend money in our house. Accommodation, it's mean for how much we spend for living. For internet, I pay 800 peso. Maximum 800 peso because we pay half. Tariff is 1.5. 1.5, Shaira? 1.5. It's a high-speed internet, but we pay half. Half her family in first floor, half we pay. So it's about 800 peso.
750.
750. No, it's okay. Water I pay 400 peso only. We don't have meter, but her family said 400 peso only.
It's already maximum, even you use or not?
It's maximum, yes. Electric is depend of the season.
Yes.
Because if hot season in the Philippines,
it's more expensive.
Yes, it's more expensive and
the cold. Because if cold, we pay for maximum it's 2,000 to 3,000. But if it's so hot, maybe 4 to 5,000 like this. Because it's so hot, really. So we cannot remove the aircon also, or we cannot off the aircon if it's so hot.
But it's about 4,000 peso. It's about 4,000 peso electric power bill. Eat outside. It's mean go to a restaurant in SM or Walking Street, anywhere outside. Eat. So it's about we spend always about 500 peso. It's about no, because sometimes 600, sometimes 700, sometimes 400, sometimes 350. But it's okay, 500 peso
For 2 person.
For 2 person, yeah, for 2 person. Okay, it's about 1 month, about $12,000 peso. About grocery. It's mean we go into SM hypermarket and buy grocery. Always I pay about 3,000 peso in hypermarket or anywhere. If we buy grocery 3 times a month, it's about 9,000 peso 1 month.
If needed, only we go to groceries.
Yes. About mobile internet, it's not expensive. Mobile internet, it's grocery about sorry. We also go into market. It's near our home. We bought fruits, vegetables,
Meat.
yes, also meat, and usually we pay about maybe 600, 700 peso. So 1 month is 4,000 peso. Okay, mobile internet. Mobile internet is not expensive in the Philippines because I use only, I pay only 300 peso 1 month. Also Shaira, it's together because we not so much money to spend to internet. Barber shop, it's for me, barber shop. 3 times a month I go to barber shop near house. I pay 100 peso only for cut my hair. It's 300 peso only. Gas for stove. It's for in our terrace have a stove with gas because Shaira cook always and in terrace and
It's worth of 800 pesos and it's maybe for 1 year because sometimes I cook there and sometimes I cook inside with electric. So I can usually only use the gas if I need it only. Because sometimes we go outside only also. So we just only buy some gas in case of don't have electric and we use the gas for cook some food and cook some water also there. Boiled water.
But electric, we not cut electric usually. In our place, we don't have problem. We cut electric and internet also have always. Don't have problem really.
And also, if they cut the water, the electric, they will advise it before, maybe 5 days before the electric interruption. So it's okay.
Yes, we already know. If we know, for example, next day or after 3 days, don't have electric or don't have water, we can travel anywhere. We can go to another place, just traveling and come back to home. So 1 month we spent for accommodation, for living in the Philippines. Together we live together. It's 31,000 peso. It's only for foods, living in the Philippines, for foods only, or for electric, for water. 31,000. It's $550 only, but it's only for accommodation. About car and motor, always every year I pay road tax. For car, it's about 5,000 peso. One year, about 5,000 peso. For motor, it's about 2,000 peso. So it's not expensive. Diesel for car. Diesel usually I spend about 4,500 1 month. It's about because we not always use car. We use also motor. For motor, it's 1 month. It's about 800 peso. It's also not so expensive. So we spend for our car and for motor 1 month. It's about 600 for 6,450 peso only. It's about $115. It's not so expensive. About visa. Every 2 months I extend visa in the Philippines. If I want, I also every 6 months. But for me, it's better for every 2 months. Every 2 months I pay 3,040 peso for visa for stay in the Philippines. ICR card is for 1 year. It's about 4,000 peso. So this is all our spent in the Philippines. Maybe it's also about medicine. About medicine, I pay MaxiCare. MaxiCare, it's insurance company. Before I pay 5,000 peso every year for me and for Shaira. But from maybe from November, MaxiCare increased price for 8,880 peso 1 year. That's why now more expensive pay for insurance. What you can say more? How you can spend money?
For me, I use for my travel, maybe maximum 100 pesos per day. So maybe in 1 month, maybe it's only 500 because sometimes only I go outside. Because I go with my sister, they have motor, we have tricycle also. And for my allowance every month, it's 4,000 because I usually not ask to Leon money because it's only if needed only for like emergency I ask only, but if just only for my allowance I hold it so that if I need I need to buy something, I don't need to ask him already. So.
And Shaira usually not spend so much money for even for clothes, and me also. I use my old clothes and Shaira also. If I need something, I can buy. But I have so many clothes also before I bought in China because long time I live in China.
And even I have money in my Gcash or in my pocket, I always think like, oh, can I buy this one or maybe not? Like I have choices like maybe I don't need to buy it or I will buy it. So I cannot decide. If I need to buy it, I will buy it. But I have so many things.
You have so many clothes.
Or
I know.
better I buy some food than buy some clothes like this. Better buy some coffee or clothes.
Shaira like coffee also. About traveling, we planning usually before we every year traveling together. We've been already in Hong Kong, Thailand, but Shaira more like go to Thailand. And soon we also going to Thailand. I cannot say now when we go to Thailand, but we will go with Georgi and with Shaira traveling to Thailand. All my members already know when we go to Thailand, so you can see in the future more video from Thailand. And I also say to Georgi, hi, do you want to go to Thailand? He said not.
Difficult to explain.
He said difficult to explain. Where my face? Where it is? No, Georgi need to go to Thailand before he need to go to Thailand, but now he said already he fixed problem because he been already in Thailand. You know, he been maybe 1 month ago. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I hope some of our subscribers understand what I say, because some of people don't understand my accent or hate my accent or don't understand. But I know we have so many good subscribers, and we always, if we go into a walking street, and we meet with so many our subscribers. Really, we like our subscribers. Many people very nice, and we ready to meet with all. Thank you for watching.